What if one meal, one pre-loved donation, one laptop, one talk, or one thoughtful act could change a life? Vishwa Foundation touched over 34,833 lives. One meal, one laptop, one act of kindness at a time. Every number is a story. Every story a testament to the power of giving. Every week, without fail, no matter the weather, Vishwa Annadanam brought warmth and nourishment to those in need.
నమస్కారం, నా పేరు వరుణ్ అండి. నేను ఖమ్మం నుంచి వచ్చాను. ఇక్కడ విశ్వ ఫౌండేషన్ వాళ్ళు అన్నదానం చేస్తున్నారు. చాలా బాగుందండి, చాలా క్వాలిటీ కూడా ఉంది. ప్రతి శుక్రవారం ఇక్కడ వీళ్ళు పెడతారంట. సో విశ్వ ఫౌండేషన్ వాళ్ళకి ప్రత్యేక ధన్యవాదాలు. ఎందుకంటే అన్ని దానాలలో అన్నదానం గొప్పదంటారు. ఇక్కడ చాలామంది కొంచెం పొత్తుకి ఇబ్బంది పడుతున్నారు. సో ఇలాంటివి ఉంటే కొంచెం బాగుంటుందని మా అభిప్రాయం. దీన్ని ఇంకా మీరు కొనసాగించాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాను. ధన్యవాదాలు.
ఫుడ్ సూపర్ ఉందన్న, చాలా బాగుంది. ఇలాంటి కింద ఇంకోటి తెచ్చినా కూడా అయిపోద్ది. ఇంట్లో అమ్మ చేసినట్టు ఉంది, చాలా బాగుంది.
Vishwa Foundation's pre-loved material donation drives brought the spirit of generosity to life, transforming clutter into compassion. Held during the festive seasons of Ugadi and Diwali, these drives saw an overwhelming response from 728 donors across Hyderabad who contributed gently, used clothes, books, toys, and electronics. The donations reached over 4,100 beneficiaries, including the residents of MG Nagar, Sheikhpet, Vanasthalipuram Old Age Home, and Children's Orphanage. Each item carried a story of kindness, bringing joy to those in need and promoting conscious, sustainable living. Together, we proved that what's no longer useful to one can become a treasure for another.
విశ్వ సంస్థకు ధన్యవాదాలు. మీ అందరూ సుఖంగా ఉండాలి.
"96 Annadanam drives, 9,000 lives touched. 34 donors celebrated their special days, birthdays, anniversaries, or cherished memories of loved ones by giving back. Your generosity turned ordinary days into extraordinary blessings." Vishwa Talks continue to inspire and educate. From sustainability to mental health, over 158 change-maker speakers touched lives with their wisdom. With 168 talks and over 21,000 registrants, we built a community of change-makers ready to shape a better tomorrow.
Namaskaram everyone, I am Padmaja, a passionate environmental enthusiast and a sustainability educator, and it had been my proud privilege to be a part of Vishwa Talks as their speaker, and it has been incredible to share my insights with Vishwa Talks audience who are like-minded, who are very attentive and positive individuals. So I think Vishwa Talks is definitely a great platform to spark and ignite meaningful conversations on crucial topics. Also, I congratulate Vishwa for their incredible work that they're doing right now and the kind of positive change that they're trying to bring in the communities around is highly commendable.
Thank you so much. How many people, right from the deepest part of your soul, you have inspired. I just wish many more people had listened to you. Deeply touched. Tears are coming, as you can see, and thank you so much.
Empowering the next generation. Vishwa Yuva Vikas, one laptop at a time. Thanks to PrimeSoft Solutions, 20 laptops found their way to underprivileged youth. From Mokila to MG Nagar, 157 young minds enrolled in our free computer training workshops. Together, we are breaking the cycle of poverty through education and opportunity.
Hi everyone, I am Ansha. I am from Ramantapur Venkat Reddy Nagar. First of all, thank you for Vishwa Foundation. ల్యాప్టాప్లో నాకు పెయింటింగ్ తప్ప ఇంకేం తెలియదు. ఇప్పుడు ల్యాప్టాప్లో వర్డ్, ఎక్సెల్, పవర్ పాయింట్ ప్రతి ఒక్కటి తెలుసు. ఎక్సెల్ ఎలా చేయాలో, ఎక్సెల్లో చిన్న చిన్న ఫార్ములాస్తో సహా ప్రతి ఒక్కటి నేను. Hello everyone, myself and M. Shivani. I am staying in Ramreddy Nagar. Present, I am doing the job in Satyasai Pop Schools at Ramreddy Nagar. నాకు ఫ్రీ కంప్యూటర్ క్లాసెస్ విశ్వ ఫౌండేషన్ ద్వారా తెలిసింది. బేసిక్స్ నాకు ల్యాప్టాప్ ఆన్ ఆఫ్ చేయడం తప్ప ఇంకేం తెలియదు.
Myself M. Pranay. I'm studying in inter second year. So I'm here to say about the classes conducted by the Vishwa. సో ఈ క్లాసెస్కి వచ్చినాక సో వాళ్ళు బేసిక్ థింగ్స్ నుంచి చెప్పారనమాట. ల్యాప్టాప్ గురించే కాకుండా అవుట్ స్టాండింగ్ లైక్ నెట్వర్క్ ఏంది, ఇంటర్నెట్ ఏంది, వాట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ దెమ్. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ టు ద విశ్వ ఫౌండేషన్.
Vishwa Foundation took a bold and passionate step toward transforming Hyderabad into a zero-waste city. Through collaborative workshops, innovative design thinking, and community engagement, we launched Mission Swachh Hyderabad 2027, a vision for a cleaner, sustainable future. Together, we are not just managing waste, we are building a legacy of responsibility for generations to come. Through design thinking workshops at Radisson Blue and Mercure Hotel, we engage communities in reimagining waste management.
E-waste also, many of you possibly would be familiar as a kind of a value chain. The way we discard the e-waste, where does it go? Much of it is actually collected back, but it is not collected back in a safe way. Many of you would have seen the rack pickers today, while they collect all kinds of things. There is a premium market for e-waste which they bring back. But obviously they are not trained at all in how to collect it, how to kind of safely handle it, how to bring it back in a way that wealth can be extracted. We must be familiar with this phrase. It's used quite often. Waste, wealth from waste. There is actually lots of wealth. Some of you may not know this, but there is actually gold in some of the waste that we are discarding. Real gold, not notional gold. Actual gold is there in some of the stuff that we are discarding. So we have found that eventually at the end of it, most of the electronic waste ends up at 18 locations in the city.
2024 was just the beginning. With your continued support, we'll reach greater heights in 2025 and beyond. Together, we are the Vishwa Foundation, a movement of hope, compassion, and change.